Bang. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's gonna be drinking. Look, smoking. Look, swearing. Look. Here I come. Bye, everybody. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. So, look. We have a great show for you tonight. Bang. Oh, we are going to talk about some new investment vehicles. Bitcoin investment fund that's going to pay out in yields. Bang. We're going to do that. Oh, let me tell you, first of all. So, it's now 6:18 in the morning. I fucking was doing this show at fucking 3-something. Electricity goes out in the whole neighborhood. Fuck, I had to sit here, man. I was just sitting in a dark room waiting for the lights to come back. So the lights have just come back. Thank you, South Beach. Well, Miami Beach. Bang. Jeez, And then, remember I taught you about investment vehicles? Bang, the different ways to attack? Options are coming, and they're coming from the CME group. We're going to talk about the CME group. We're going to launch Bitcoin options. And then we're going to leave you with some good news because, as you know, when I see you on Tuesday, by then, guess what it'll be? We're up and running. Bakkt. Yes, Bakkt will be up and running by the next time I see you. And so, look, we're going to chit-chat about that. Yes. So, look. So the reason I went, bang, welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. So this guy, hold on. Bang, look. This guy, where is this guy? He's like, where is he? So this is for you, buddy. That bang was specifically for you. And he said this. He said, hey, here it is. His name is Chris A. Chris, bang. That soft bang is for you. There you go. Chris A, he said, hey, love you, really do. But the first bang always hurts my ears. Can you pull back? Can you pull back from the mic? It'll get the bang emphasis without the excess volume. Hey, I'm giving you my karaoke tips here. If you don't change a thing, I'll be back. Love your style. So he's not dissing me. He's just being like, so it's funny. The guy's like, yeah, that first bang, it's a little killer. So I told him, I started laughing, obviously, and I'm like, wow, that's the whole point of the first bang. Bang! Yes! You see, it opens the brain so I can get into it. I got to get into the brains. And then Ronka's, yes, another killer. He's like, I don't mind. It wakes me up every time. Exactly. Wakes you up. So today, Chris A, that bang, welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. That was just for you, buddy. That was just for you. We won't be doing that again. But for today, that was just for you, Chris A. Bang. But obviously, going forward, I'm going to do my normal. Oh, so we already talked about what's coming. So, all right, well, bye. Chris A in the house. All right. Look. All right, let's do how we do, brothers. Oh, did I tell you? We just had a blackout, man. Oh, I did just say that. Yeah, man, fuck, man. I've been sitting here for a couple hours waiting for the lights to turn back on. Anyway, I got to watch some Al Jazeera and shit. Look, some documentaries. Got to catch up. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Yes. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Tether, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SVN, Stellar. Let's look at the market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. My bad. The price of Bitcoin. Right. Like I said, I already did this. So look, the price of Bitcoin is $10,063. Well, it was when I did it. Now it's $10.70, but whatever. We're just going to leave it. When I left you yesterday, it was at $10,191. So we went down $100 and something bucks. All right. Now let's do the single digits up, single digits down. Total market moves of the day, brothers. Look. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up. 2. Single digits down. All right. Let's look who lost money today, brothers. You see anything on here like you go get it because it is on sale. Buy. Here's top 10 loser of the day. ABBC Coin, Theta, Stellar, Electronium, Stratus, Monero, Beam, Eternity, Dogecoin, and Nexo. Let's see who made money today, brothers. Let's see the top gainers of the day. Buy. Here's top gainers. Dragon Coins, Quant, Bytecoin, Basic Attention, Ox, Ren, Redcoin, IOTA, Walton Chain, and EOS. Now let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. 267.4. All right, so I already wrote it already. Like I said, I already did this part of the show, so I'm not going to rewrite it. When I did the show, well, when I did the first time, we were at 267.5. So, not a big deal. Down 2-point-something billion. And then total market cap of the day is 54.3. All right, 54.4 when I did it last time. And so that is a 10.5 loss in total volume of the day. And actually what I said when I did the show was I was trying to say, well, I did say it, but it's obviously I have to say it again. And so seeing as I do this show in one take instead of in these little bits, I don't edit this. And so, that's normal market behavior. Normal market behavior is at the end of the week, the market volume goes way down, right? Like that's normal. That's why, I'm a professional forex trader. Yeah, we don't hold our trades over the weekend, right? Because your market goes down in terms of liquidity, and so then you have crazy price moves. That's when you have gaps. What's called gap. Google gap up, gap down. Or go to Investopedia and look at it, and then that's what happens. All right. Little teaching. Look. All right. Bye. Yes. This is where I was in the show when the power went out. Let's hope this fucking shit stays awake this time. So look, Wave Financial offers indirect exposure to BTC via investment fund yields. So this is interesting. It says, and so I've taught you about investment vehicles, right? If I want, I'm an investor, so my money makes me money. So as an investor, you have what's called your portfolio. And so in your portfolio, you want things that are going to earn you ROI, or return on your investment, And so, for instance, say I want exposure to the price movements of Microsoft in my portfolio, right? Bang, my warehouse. I like to call it a warehouse portfolio. That's the professional way to say it. But look, just call it my warehouse. So, if I want exposure to Microsoft in my warehouse, my portfolio, well, there's many ways I can be exposed to the price movement of that asset, which is the share of Microsoft. I can, 1, buy it vanilla. When we say vanilla, it means just buy it, hodl it, just put it in there. I can do it through options, which we're about to talk about later tonight. Options. Yes. I can do it through an ETF, exchange traded fund, that has Microsoft shares in it. I can do it through futures. I can get a futures contract on Microsoft shares. I can do it through my job, usually, and I'm sure this is what most of you guys do, your 401k, right? You can have exposure to the price movement of the Microsoft share in your 401k. If you want to get hardcore, you can do it through swaps. You can do it through, did I say derivatives? You can do it through derivatives. And there's many kinds of derivatives. You can do it through Anyway, so that's 7 ways. Do you see all those 7 ways are ways that I can go get exposure in my portfolio to the price movement of Microsoft shares or any share, any asset, right? Many ways, many. There are so many more. Oh my gosh, it would take me all night to say them all. And so that's what I've been telling you guys about in this market is what we need these are what's called investment vehicles. So I just showed you 7. Those are the vehicles. The asset is the highway. Bang. The investment vehicle is what you drive on that highway. You kind of want to look at it that way. I don't know if that's a great example, but you know what I mean? And so that's what we need in this market, in that they're professional dudes. So I'm a derivatives trader, right? I trade derivatives. I don't ever own a yen. I never own euros. Yeah, but I make a living off of trading them, right? The options guy, he makes money. The options guys are wild. They buy puts and calls and do things called strangles and straddles and just all this crazy stuff, right? And so so a futures guy, I don't know, I don't know what they do. I don't know their how their mentality is. I know about the options guys, but you know what I'm saying. But those guys are killers. They are experts in that investment vehicle. It's like an army. Okay, the market is like the war, and we're us, the investors, we're an army. Well, in each army, a guy has a specialty, right? Like I'm a Forex guy, so we're probably like the Air Force. We're flying above everything. We know everything. Like we can see everything, right? A stock guy might be like a tanker, a guy who drives a tank. Boom, boom. He's down on the ground just blowing shit. A futures guy might be like a sniper. Bap, bap. He's just killing dudes on his own. But put together, that's the one army. But it takes all of them to win the war, right? And so, the markets are like a war. And so what I'm saying to you is that crypto, we need to attack it with many different types of soldiers. And so here's a new soldier. Bye. Holy Shomari, you were yapping. I know, brothers. Look. Settle down. It's the weekend. You can handle it. Just wait till I get to the next story. Oh, I'm going to be yapping hard. Look. An investment firm called Wave Financial has released a new product that is intended to give investors some direct exposure to the Bitcoin market. The company, which is based in California, affirms that this is the first crypto derivatives yield fund in the U.S. market. But, so it's a fund. To tell you the truth, I don't know what a yield fund is, but they're going to make money off the yield of this thing somehow. It's interesting. The main idea is that the returns will not be in Bitcoin, but in fiat. So this fund is going to pay out in fiat, not physically settled. But whatever, it's going to bring us liquidity, so let's be happy about that. The investors never actually need to buy any Bitcoin themselves, so they are protected from anything that they may fear in the industry. How the investment works. So this is kind of interesting. I'm still not 100%. I still got to go to learn about this a little bit better. Basically, when people sign up, they get the privilege, but not the obligation, the company affirmed, to buy Bitcoin at a certain rate. So let me read on. For instance, if the price of Bitcoin is around 10,000, they can pay a premium to buy it and get it in around a month. They pay 12,000 USD, for instance, and hope that the price is higher than this in a month. So it sounds like some crazy, weird half options, half fund thing. I don't know what it is. It's strange. I've never heard of this kind of thing. So when the month is ended, the person can either buy the Bitcoin for the price or leave it. So you don't have to buy. And that's the same with options. And we're going to read about options in a second. You can either exercise the option, do the thing, buy it, or just, all right, I paid that. What is that called? A premium? I don't know what it is, but I'm not going to do it. And that's what this thing kind of sounds like. And so this way, investors don't need to lose. They can simply not buy the asset if the price is not good. But they've already paid a premium, right? So this considerably diminishes the risks, and the premium is used to finance the operation. All right, so you have to pay a premium, but you don't have to buy the crypto, right? Like, you have a choice whether you want to or not. So, but you do have to pay the premium. That's that's how that works. So, according to Wave Financial, people who invest in this program can earn up to 18% in a year. The funds are not guaranteed, however, as they depend, because if they're guaranteed, then it's a Ponzi scheme, as they depend on the price of Bitcoin. But at least people can manage their losses if the prices do not go up. As the market is lacking a variety of Bitcoin derivatives, some investors might be interested in this offering. So, bang, look. So there you go. Yeah, this is a weird little investment vehicle. I've never heard of this. So you pay the premium, and then you can, and then you say, I want to buy the Bitcoin at bang, bang, bang. And if it's above that price, you buy it at that. But then you get I don't really know. It's pretty wild. And then you get the Bitcoin at, let's just look at it. All right. So on a 10 grand USD, they can pay a premium to buy it and get it at around a month. They pay 12 grand, for instance, and hope that the price is higher. Yeah. So, I get it. Yeah, exactly. So you pay what you hope it'll be. You hope it'll be higher than what you pay, and you pay the premium up front. And then if it's higher than what you said, then you make money. All right, you make the difference. All right, so an interesting investment vehicle. These are investment vehicles. So it's called investment vehicles. All right. Bang, Wave Financials. Where is it? What country is this? Hold on, let me just see what country this is, guys. California, all right. America, then. All right. Look. Bang. All right, we're going to do that one after. Bang. Yes. So now here's another investment vehicles. What's this vehicle? Bitcoin options. Bang. Any options traders out there? Any of you guys buying puts and calls? Doing some strangles? Yeah. Some butterflies? Look. Yes. So this is another investment vehicle. So why is that good, Shomari? Well, because now options boys, bang, professional options boys get to bring their money in. Look, there's a lot of all these guys are pros in what they do. I'm a pro in what I do. There's an options guys, they're pros. The futures guys, they're pros. And maybe you have a fund, $1 billion, maybe more, maybe less, whatever. But yeah, I'm an options guy. So I just unleash my fund. Anything with options, I just rock it. Rock, bang, 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 all around. I don't care. I just buy different stuff. Gold, silver, commodities, bonds, Forex, stocks, whatever. All as long as they have options for me to trade with, I rock it. Do you understand? I do it, right? I trade it, in the way that I know how, which would be as an options trader, right? Well, these guys, the options traders do, not me. And the same with the futures guys. If I'm a futures trader, well, sure, there's an asset class out there, and that's all great and fine and dandy and gravy, but if you don't give me futures to do it, I can't do it. Do you guys, I know I'm emphasizing it enough. I'm repeating myself over and over, but do you understand? And so that's what's the beauty of these stories when we're seeing different investment vehicles being offered. So, bang, we can onboard the different guys, the different killers, that know how to do what they know how to do. You know what I mean? And that brings liquidity and stability and a whole bunch of other legitimacy. Like I showed you, right? Those 7-8 ways to expose yourself to the Microsoft share. Yeah, well, Those are all the 8 guys we need to come here. You get it? To the crypto market. All right. All right. It's the weekend. Don't worry. You can spend time with me. I'm yapping. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. You know, when the blackout happened, yeah, well, I just kept fueling and got to smoking a little bit. So I'm yapping a little more than usual. Look, which is a lot already. Look, derivatives marketplace CME Group has announced that it will offer options buying on its Bitcoin futures contracts starting in the first of the next year. They will offer what? Options. Boom. The Chicago-based company first launched its futures product back in December 2017, at the same time as its Windy City rival, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE. CBOE, they cut off theirs. They shut down their futures contracts. In its announcement on Friday, CME said the launch of Bitcoin options is aimed to provide clients with additional tools for precision hedging and trading. Yes. The launch is pending regulatory review. Yes, that's the problem, you know. Got to get regulatory approval, but as we can see, the CFTC are a lot friendlier bunch than the SEC, aren't they? Daggone it. Right, the CFTC, they approve stuff. But technically, this still needs regulatory approval. Tim McCourt, CME Group Global Head of Equity Index and Alternative Investment Products said, 1 second. All right, Tim McCourt said, look. What did he say? He said, look. Based on increasing client demand and robust growth in our Bitcoin futures market, we believe the launch of options will provide our clients with additional flexibility. Bang! They need flexibility. That's the other thing. When you're a hedge fund, you do different stuff, right? Your trading desks, they trade different things, but they also do it in different ways. So you got to give these guys, different ways to do it. Like attack the market. Like I told you, investment vehicles, different ones. We believe the launch of options will provide our clients with additional flexibility to trade and hedge their Bitcoin price risk. These new products are designed to help institutions buy and professional traders to manage spot market Bitcoin exposure, as well as hedge Bitcoin futures positions in a regulated exchange environment. Nice and regulated. Yes, they won't have to fear. They won't fear. The institutional investors won't fear bringing it obviously to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. It's the CME, daggone it. It's like the NASDAQ. It's like the New York Stock Exchange. Look. And wait till I tell you about the next story. Bye. Yes. So look. The firm detailed that since the 2017 launch, it has seen 20 successful futures expiration settlements. Futures go by months. So 20 of these expiry dates have come. And with over 3,300 individual accounts trading the contracts, close to 7,000 CME Bitcoin futures contracts are traded on average each day. Bye. Yes. In March 2019, CBOE abruptly changed tack and halted the futures product. That left CME as the sole provider of Bitcoin futures in the U.S. Exactly. The CBOE also had futures cash settled. But theirs were, I don't know, they said screw this. So whatever. So CME is the only one left, and they're making all the money then. So the CME will have a new rival from on Monday. Bye! And that's what we're going to talk about next, brother. However, when the Intercontinental Exchange and its subsidiary, look, what's its subsidiary? Yes, the Death Star, Bakkt, begins offering a new futures product. Yes, But look. Unlike CME's cash contracts, though, ICE will be offering a physically settled product. Buying, meaning customers will receive actual Bitcoin instead of the cash equivalent. Bang! Bringing bringing Bitcoin off the market. Yes. Creating what? Scarcity. Yes. Driving up price. Yes. Bang! So look, brothers. And since we're on Bakkt right now, let's just buy. Yes. Tom Lee, Bakkt to improve trust with institutional cryptos in 3 days. All right. Hold on. We'll get back to Bakkt, but let's just get back to this one, though, first. Because it's important. Bang. Bitcoin options. Options trading now. Right? We have to have different types of killers come to this market. Different ones. Look, I'm a derivatives guy. If this place were liquid enough and giving me trending markets, look, you want to see trending? Look. You want to see what I did this week? I'll show you my fucking shit right here. Hold on, let me show you guys my shit. This is what I did. This is what I murdered this week. Hold on, where is this? Where is this? I'll show you right here. Bye. All right, watch. You see what I'm saying? If I could, Shomari, man, because people keep begging me, Shomari, man, just do trading on coin. Look what I did. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I took it short to go down. Yeah, look at it. I took it right there. Bang! Down. And then I took the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. I'll move it over here so it's not behind my head. Sweetie got all angry at me last time. You're blocking it, motherfucker. Damn, stallion. But look, bang. And so here you go, stallion. Bang. What do we do? What do we do, stallion? We went down, and then what do? We retraced into what? The dynamic area of support and resistance within our Fibonacci's. And then what, stallion? This is the setup chart. Now what? We went to the trigger chart. And all of you boys, because I know there's a few of you boys watching those videos too. This is what Hector's teaching you. And then what do we do? Breakout, pull back. Yeah, where'd I take the trade? Right here. Bang! Murdered it. Murdered it. Okay, guys? So that shows you it's real. Okay? Yeah. Sorry, what are we dealing with here? No, in the Forex and whatnot. Look. Bang. There we go. Bang. Here I am. Bang. Let's get back to this, though. All right, guys, though, you see that? Yeah, breakout, pullback, continuation. And you just keep doing that over and over. If you go to Forex Factory and look at the charts that I showed you, yeah, it's the same thing over and over, right? Yes, they're different trades, different times and everything, but it's just the same crap. Down, retrace, dynamic area support and resistance, bang. Monkey work. But so what I'm showing you about that is that, right? Like, that's how. So, Shomari, man, when are you going to. Everyone keeps asking me, like, Shomari, man, like, fucking start trading the crypto shit. Yeah, it's not ready yet. You don't have proper trading markets here yet. These are a bunch of morons. They don't know what they're doing. I know you guys listen to these TNA, the TA analysis and all that. That's nonsense crap. When it's ready, I'll show you how to do it. And so here's another way. I'm a Forex guy. I'm a trend trader. And these options guys are going to come soon. So let's look at the options guys, which is another investment vehicle which professionals will come in, right? Like, that's what you need. Yeah, once this shit is professionalized proper, I'll be showing you all of that. All right. Derivatives marketplace. CME Group has announced that it will offer options on its Bitcoin futures contracts starting in the first quarter of next year. All right. The Chicago-based company. Did we read some of this already? Wait. Did we read all of this? Hold on, wait. Oh, we did. Oh, my bad. Look, that's what I mean, guys. We had a blackout here. Yes, I started smoking a little bit. All right, let's move on. Bang, all right. Oh, we are, all right, I'm backed now. Yes, brothers. All right, the blackout came, and I was like, all right, I'll wait. So it was like half an hour, then 45 minutes. I was like, look. And this joint, right? This joint was just staring at me. I was like, look. All right, joint, come on. So I'm a little stoned. All right, look. Back to improve trust with institutions to crypto in 3 days. All right. Oh, my gosh. Look. Oh, guys, I love you guys. I thank you for understanding. I thank you for your understanding. But here it is, though, guys. Really, literally, though. All right, let's get real. When I see you guys on Tuesday, Bakkt will be live and operational. The Death Star will be operational. Look, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will gain trust from the incoming launch of institutional trading platform Bakkt, a well-known analyst has said. So look, more praise for Bakkt. In a tweet on September 19th, Fundstrat Global Advisors co-founder Tom Lee joined the increasing number of Bitcoin figures bullish about Bakkt's impact on the space. Oh, and let me tell you, I am bullish. Now, is Bakkt going to be the end-all, be-all of all this crypto? No. We need the Brits to come online. We need the Europeans to come online. We need our brothers from down under, the Aussies, to come online. We need the Canadians. We need a lot more. Oh, yes, brothers. There's a lot more needed. So don't think this is it. I know. Shit, Shomari, but man, look, I got to tell you the real, brothers. This ain't it. This is not the victory. Look, let me tell you something. In every war, there are many battles. Yes, many battles. When we battle ISIS, you know who ISIS is? A bunch of terrorists cutting off heads, doing stuff, jihading. Yes. So we battled them, the Americans. We did. We battled them with the Iraqis and the Kurds. Look, we went on a war against what was called the Caliphate. Yes. ISIS built the Caliphate, and it was hardcore. They were cutting off heads, throwing homosexuals off of buildings. Oh yeah. We had to battle them. We had to go get them. So we had to wage a war. Now look. Oh, that's what I used to roll my weed. I put a little tobacco in my joints. Look. All right, just so you know when I meet you. Look, now. But what happened, though? We had to wage different battles. Yeah, you just don't wipe out a caliphate. You got to wage battles. We had the Battle of Kobane up in the northwest of Syria. Bang! Took ISIS out there. Yes. Then we had the Battle of... Then we had the Battle of Mosul. That was the big battle right there. In Iraq, get those jihadis out. We had to battle it, but they still had territory in a place called Raqqa. Look, so we had to head over there with the SDF, the Kurds, and we had to battle there. So look, brothers, what I'm trying to tell you is a war is composed of many battles. And so look, we got Bakkt. This is a battle won. But it ain't a war won. You understand? The war ain't over. Look. It's hard work. Yes. Much more work to do, brothers. I know. You don't like to hear that shit. But look, brothers. When it's over, yes, when the war is won, it's going to be well worth the wait. So now, let's look at the battle that we've won, though. Let us review this battle that we're going to win. When I see you on Tuesday, bang, that will be a battle won. Look, physically settled futures, and not just any physically settled, but offered by Bakkt. Offered by ICE. ICE, who runs the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, shit. Yeah. Institutional grade stuff now, brothers. Institutional grades. So look, we haven't won the war, but this battle right here, holy, it's a winner. It's a winner. So let's continue, brothers. Oh, man, I'm yapping. I know. Look, it's how it goes sometimes. It's how it goes. It's what happens when there's a blackout. Motherfuckers get smoking weed. Yap. Look. In a tweet on September 19th, Fundstrat Global Advisors co-founder Tom Lee joined the increasing number of Bitcoin figures bullish about Bakkt. No, we talked about that. All right, so look, the platform goes live on September 23rd. Bye! When I see you on the 24th, Bakkt will be alive and kicking. And will offer physical Bitcoin futures. Now, if you're new here, look, a futures contract is something you buy now, but you get later. You get the asset later. Look, well, this one, they're going to pay for Bitcoin now. Bang! And they're going to get Bitcoins later, taking them off the market, creating what? Scarcity. It's all about supply and demand. Look. Oh, yeah. Investors who have been able to deposit funds since September 6th will take delivery of payouts exclusively in Bitcoin. Look. What does it say? Exclusively. I live in South Beach. Okay, I live in South Beach, Florida. Yeah, that's South Beach. Oh, and everything's exclusive around here. Everyone wants the exclusive treatment. Well, look. If you go to Bakkt, look, money man. If you're a money man, head on over to Bakkt and you get in some exclusive. Oh, and it is exclusive, though. That's that New York Stock Exchange treatment from ICE. Yes. Oh, yeah. That's with the red carpet. Bang. The red rope. The velvet rope. The carpet. Yes. Come on in. Exclusive treatment when Bakkt comes online. So, the remaining days to launch have so far been characterized by a lackluster progress for Bitcoin markets, which dropped below 10,000 once again. All right, whatever, man. We don't give a fuck about that. So, we don't talk about price around here. So this guy says, Lee wrote that I am very positive on Bakkt and its ability to improve trust with institutions in crypto. And that's what it's all about, trust. Look, we talked about custody yesterday. Custody is serious. They got to trust. These guys, they make billions of dollars already. They're multi-billion-dollar hedge fund guys. They don't need to come here. They look at crypto like, fuck, whatever. Like, it's some shit they heard about. Like, oh, that Bitcoin shit, I heard about it. What about it? Like, they don't care. It's not like us, we're here to make some straight cash and get rich. Like, they're already rich. And so you need to show them, the place has to professionalize, right? And give them the stuff that, like I showed you guys, Bloomberg Terminal. Once Bloomberg Terminal had Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum on it, well, all right. That's why I came here. Yeah, that shows me, oh, this is the real deal. Yeah, and those guys are even worse. They have Bloomberg Terminals. I don't have a Bloomberg Terminal. And so that's what's needed here, is that to show them, yeah, man, this is a viable real space. These are real asset, not just an asset class, but just, like things like VeChain and IOTA and stuff that are actually doing stuff. Like, this is real. Do you know what I mean? This is real. They're onboarding people. Like, come and invest in here. All right. I'm yapping so much. All right, look. So Bitcoin price tanked before the rollover date. All right, fuck all that. So look. But look, when Bakkt comes online, it will improve the trust with institutions. And so I'm going to keep a close eye on it, and I'm going to keep you posted as much as I can about that. Because, and it's things like this, right? Like, bang, There's options, right? And then here's Bakkt with their stuff. New investment vehicles coming to this market to unleash bang. Yes. The institutional killers to come and do and kill the way they kill. Yes, that's the way they say it. If I could trend trade here, I'd be killing it. Once I can, I will. And I'll be showing you all about it. But for now, all the futures guys, bang, they now have a way to kill. All the options guys with the CME, now they have a way to kill. Do you understand? Investment vehicles. And that brings us, why is that good for us, Shomari? Liquidity, brothers. Liquidity. And just to get the SEC, because I know. Fuck the SEC. I know. It's true. But come on, man. That's the gold standard. Once the SEC approves something, oh my gosh, we are going to globally just be, I was wrong about, but once these guys have custody and the SEC approves something, we shouldn't have a problem. I know, man. The nation of champions, I thought that was going to rock and roll, but now I'm thinking it's the custody problem, and they need custody. We've talked about custody here. If you're new here, go to Investopedia and, search about custody. Yeesh. Without custody, there's nothing. All right, look. Let's do some shout outs. Bye. What do we got? Hurricane Master. Bye. Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Oh, new subscriber. What do we got? 5,000 Quatlas. Cryptocurrency. Smiley face world money bag bang. All right. Bye. Whatever, all that, man. I don't know about emojis. Look. What? Beats coin. I think this was from Stallion or something. Vibervid and Beats coin are at the forefront of breakthrough P2P economy. Bang. All right, buddy. Beats coin, whatever. David Dapril. I am decentralized.org. Co-founder. Beatscoin. Holy, all these Beatscoin guys are coming here. Tron Machines Inc. Advisor, all things crypto, cigars, vino, and the Sooners. Yes. Wow, come on over here to South Beach, buddy. Bang. Sounds like you'll fit right in. And then here's Stallion. Sweetie. Yes. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. And I showed you, girl. Showed you those trades. That's how you got to do it. Keep reading. All right. Spy Lady. Bang. Brenton C. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Robert. Robert, you still didn't tell me. Is your name really just Robert and you separated it? Or is your name Rob Ert? This guy never tells me. Some more kisses for Sweetie. Yes. Bye. All right. Look. Coin Blide. What? Coin Blick. Crypto news. Daily crypto news you should not miss. Provided by CoinBlick app on AI-driven and distraction-free crypto news aggregator. Well, that's what I do, brother. Look. Bang. See you, buddy. Radster. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Yes. Oh, Medium. Oh, Medium's talking about this shit right here. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yeah, that's the shit I talked about right now. Bang, the CME. They're doing the shit I just talked about. And then he did it again, though. Where was it? Yeah, right here. This is the one I read to you guys. Medium, you got too excited. So I'll give you 2 bangs. Bye. You got too excited. He gave me 2 CME group things. Oh. Stallion, she says, I guess the SEC hearing is on her dad's birthday. Well, here's a birthday present for dad. Look. Good crypto hearing. Can't go wrong. What do we got? Nina. Foundry fellow. Oh, Foundry. D&I, IP, and technology advocate. Look at you, Nina. Bang. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes, got to kill those ones before they grow. Love you, Roncast. Yeah, real killer. Look. Robbie Hardway. Bang. Poppy Wood. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Poppy Wood. DJing. Getting into the brains. Look. All right. What do we got here? Hussein. Mehboob. Look. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. All right. That's it. Fuck it. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yeah. Soft bangs tonight for Chris A. Or what was the guy's name? Hold on. Let me look at his name again. Shomari, can you tone it down? Chris A. It was. Bang, Chris A. Bang. Look. All right, guys. We had a great show for tonight. So the Bitcoin Investment Fund. So that's interesting. So these are investment vehicles. And so these guys are going to get to make their money off the yields of this investment fund. That's interesting. I've never heard about that. Bang. So that'll be good. Now, the CME to launch options. Oh, yes. Options are the real deal. Got to have killers in here. Boom. Here come the options, guys. CME. You're not going to be afraid. They're not going to be afraid when they're offered on the CME. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So amazing with the options. Let's see how it works. I know. Let's see how it works, though. And then bang. Tom Lee talks about Bakkt. Like we said, when I see you on Tuesday, Bakkt will be online. I mean, I don't think we'll have any news yet. It's only going to be one day later, but never know. Bang. It's going to be good stuff. So look. Let's leave you with a good weekend. Let's shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notification when I do this show. I love doing this show. Love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look. Thank you for having me in your home. And I will see you on Tuesday. And we'll be back live. We will, in other words, Bakkt, Bakkt. Bakkt will be on board, and we'll be reading all about that. So look. Thank you. Bye. My name is Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Yes. Over and motherfucking out, son. Yes.